started by using some scraps left over from a previous project to make the back pieces. I quickly discovered that doing this at my normal pace would take way too long, so I channeled my inner superhero and started working faster. I laid out the design I wanted in one of the side pieces. This is some leftover particle board I had from my previous table saw stand that I repurposed. It's not ideal for something like this, but I wanted to use only scraps for this project. I took it to the bandsaw to cut out both pieces together. I used the old painter's tape and super glue trick to hold them together, as you'll see here in a bit. Then it's off to the spindle sander to finish the shape. Rounding over the edges of the sides using a 1/4 inch roundover bit. Drilling some pocket holes in the back pieces in the shelf. I'm still amazed at how well the dust collection is with this rig. I used a clamp to hold the shelf in place so I could drive in the pocket hole screws. And the same with the back pieces. After turning on my industrial ventilation system, it was time for some primer, followed by some paint. I think the cutouts were a little too big to hold my rifles securely, so I used some self-adhesive foam that I cut into small pieces and stuck them to the insides of the cutouts to act as padding. And that's it. Let's put some guns in there and see how it looks. If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It'll really help me out a lot. Thanks for watching.